What is going on, everyone? It is Thursday, April 16th, 2026. We'll be doing today's charting session as well as how I made 6,200 and okay, let's actually see because the title says $6,585, but technically it's like 7,200 something because I also made 700 on my elite account. Don't ask how. I'm not going to go over it. Just know the TikTok live got a little weird. Anyway, let's go over this trade. Really, 22 points out of a 173 point range is kind of wicked, I'm not gonna lie. But let's go over what we did. Yeah, even the pre-fire didn't work, Toad. Unfortunately, right? So market opened. We had this buy side 930 wick get put in. And like I've been telling you guys, 930 wick is most likely going to be taken out. So we had this low. All right, swept out some of the sell side. We kept sweeping out all of these lows. So we swept out this low, we swept out this low, we swept out this low, right? And then I was saying, okay, let's just wait for maybe an entry up here. We ended up creating a low down here, tapping into, let's see, this 15 minute, these 15 minutes, the hourly, the 4 hour. We rebalanced some of these PD rays that we've been absolutely creating in the past day and a half as we headed to all-time highs. So we were in a bullish bias, even though we looked like we had bearish order flow. You were waiting for that 30-second long entry for a while, huh? Yes, I was waiting for that 30-second. Let's see how long. So it was formed at 9:30:30, and we took the trade at 11:05. Excuse me. Right, so we were creating an SMT, flipping from bearish to bullish order flow. We had this good market maker model and respected this 5 minute, respected this 5 minute. Clear displacement above this IFEG. We had this 30-second closure right here. All right, so we were like, oh shit, like we edged it. We had this closure, and then eventually we had a run back lower. I basically just put a limit where my TP would be at the buy side. I can bring up the recording real quick. Oh, that's scrolling down. This should be it. Look, so I had a buy limit about where my TP would have been 5.3. So this internal buy side ended up getting filled on this candle right here. Nice wick lower. Even after seeing price kind of stall right before going to an eval because it started playing around before the actual inverse. Well, this was good enough displacement. I don't know what you mean by like playing around. Like I guess this could be technically playing around, but this is still very good displacement. Then this shit just ripped to London highs. Two more 250 days on my Apex PA. Let's go. Trading down here full time. Why didn't you take the 30 seconds to 5? I was a bit distracted. Why didn't you place your stop loss order block OC below the 30-second inverse? I mean, it was below like this breaker. You're good, brother. Like my stop loss was like in this breaker right here. And we also respected this 5 minute, so I didn't want price to go below this inversion or below this breaker. There's a decent play at 10-14 that I faded. Let's see, 10-14. There's not really equal low plays that I don't see. At 10-14, there's no equal lows. Oh, yes, actually. I'm pretty sure Botha actually took this. I just wasn't in a mood to short. This is also something like this is not really an AM type of trade. I don't really like trading like this during AM. Like a trade for 11 points during AM is kind of nuts. Yeah, what's a breaker? It's this order block right here. This up close candle. So if you have our low, our high, and our lower low and our higher high, this is the breaker. Low, high, lower low, higher high. This is a breaker. Yeah, I did go over the 5-minute mech. The one that was right here. And I just low-key missed it, I'm not gonna lie. Would you say at days like this when we have such expansion on a 4-hour, you wouldn't want to short it all? I wouldn't want to short it all unless it was very, very obvious. Order blocks are easy as fuck. Like this would be your order block. Like the last up close candle before a series of down close candles. Like this. It's like a point of rejection. Like look, like we came out tapping this order block. Then had this 30-second inversion to these equal lows, blah, 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 blah. You know, like some people do shit like this. Or some people will like take like this CISD. Like we have this order block. We have a sweep of the high and then a closure below CISD. Take the tap in. Like this is some ICT bullshit right here. I don't like CISDs. Doesn't really matter. It's better to signal about the Lotion model to scare my 250 days, or this is make or break it for my M3. I mean, why don't you just like be careful and just take good trades? I don't know. And it doesn't necessarily give bad RR. It's just like something that I don't know. I'm just way more confident using inverse fair value gaps. All right, are you guys all good? Anyone have any final questions? All right, bet. All right, I'm gonna end this recording. Hopefully, you guys all enjoyed. If you were watching on YouTube, then head over to the link in the description, and this is where you can join the Discord. Peace out.